Hey there! If you're on the hunt for a keyboard that's both beginner-friendly and packed with features, look no further than the RockJam 61-key electronic keyboard piano super kit. This all-in-one package is designed to get you playing right out of the box and includes everything you need. Let's dive into the details and see what makes this keyboard a fantastic choice. Key features. 1. Complete super kit. The RockJam 61-key super kit includes the keyboard, a sturdy and adjustable stand, a comfortable padded stool, high-quality over-ear headphones, and a reliable power supply. This means you won't need to purchase any additional accessories to start playing immediately. 2. 61 full-size keys. The keyboard features 61 full-size keys that provide a traditional piano feel. It's the perfect balance between a full piano and a portable electronic keyboard, making it ideal for both home practice and on-the-go performances. 3. User-friendly LCD display. The built-in LCD display is a standout feature, showcasing 100 rhythms, 50 tones, 30 demo songs, and various teaching functions. This screen is clear and easy to read, providing valuable feedback as you play and helping you learn new pieces. 4. Sound and playback quality. The RockJam keyboard has built-in speakers that offer excellent sound quality. Additionally, you can connect external speakers for a more robust sound if needed. The keyboard also allows for recording and playback, which is a fantastic feature for practicing and creating layered music. 5. Educational features. The keyboard's teaching functions make it a great learning tool. The LCD display guides you by showing which keys to play in sync with the demo songs, helping you practice and improve your skills efficiently. 6. Durable and portable. The keyboard is made with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity. It's lightweight and can be powered by batteries, making it easy to transport and play anywhere. Pros. Comprehensive package. Includes everything a beginner needs to start playing immediately. Affordable. Offers great value for the price, especially considering the included accessories. Portable and convenient. Lightweight design and battery power option make it easy to take on the go. High-quality build. The keyboard feels sturdy and well-made, with responsive keys that mimic the feel of a traditional piano. Large song library. Comes preloaded with a wide variety of songs and rhythms, allowing for diverse practice and play options. Cons. Manual. The included user manual is not very detailed, which can be a bit challenging for complete beginners. However, there are numerous online tutorials and resources available to help users get started. Additional features. Adjustable stand and comfortable stool. The stand is adjustable, catering to players of different heights, and the stool is padded, ensuring comfort during long practice sessions. Headphone jack. The included headphones are perfect for private practice, allowing you to play without disturbing others. Auxiliary input. Connect external devices to play along with your favorite tracks, making practice more fun and engaging. Compact design. Despite its full-size keys, the keyboard is compact and easy to store when not in use. Conclusion. The RockJam 61-key electronic keyboard piano super kit is a superb choice for anyone looking to start their musical journey or for seasoned players seeking an affordable and portable option. With its comprehensive set of features, high-quality build, and user-friendly design, it offers excellent value for money. Whether you're practicing at home or performing on the go, this keyboard has you covered. So, if you're ready to embark on your musical adventure with a reliable and feature-packed keyboard, the RockJam 61-key electronic keyboard piano super kit is definitely worth considering. You can find more details and make a purchase here. https://www.amazon.com/RockJam electronic keyboard super kit headphones /DP/B01ajik. https://www.amazon.com/RockJam-electronic-keyboard-superkit-headphones /DP/B01ajik. Happy playing!